Hello friends, today I'm going to be partnering up with Cricut for this video. I'm going to share how easy it is to make sticker labels for your craft room organization. I have spent the last several months organizing my craft room, but I still had a problem finding exactly what I needed because all of these bins do not have labels on them. So I'm going to take out my Cricut, and the first thing you need to do is you have to calibrate your Cricut machine with your printer. This is so simple, but it is definitely a crucial step to make sure that your Cricut machine is going to cut out the stickers exactly how you want them. The next step after I calibrated my Cricut machine, I am now going to go in Cricut Design Space and choose a image that I like. I wanted something simple, but with just a little bit of character. I am going to change the colors of this image. I don't like the yellow and the green. I'm going to change it to something super simple that fits me and my style of my craft room, which is plain, if I'm being honest. I go with black and gray. The next thing I'm going to do is find a font that I like, and I am going to type out all of the words that I need for each different bin. I am assuming that you already have a Cricut machine if you are watching this, or you are in the market for one. So be sure to check out the description box where I have several deals that you can find on the Cricut website, as well as the sticker sheets that you are going to need to make these sticker labels. I am now going to duplicate this image several times, and I'm going to line them up, and then I'm going to put all of the words onto the images. And you need to make sure that obviously the words are in the front on top of the label. And then very important is you're going to need to flatten each image. This is going to ensure that you print out your image, and then you're going to be able to cut it out with your Cricut machine. So I'm going to choose my paper, which is sticker paper sheet, I believe it's called. And then I'm going to hit make, and then you need to click the Cricut button that is going to be flashing on your machine. Then the machine does the rest, and I added these sticker labels to all of my bins, as you could see here. I absolutely love that I can see so easily what is in each bin, and it makes creating so much easier. Yes, it is that simple to create sticker labels for your craft room organization. If you are a Cricut user and want even more use out of your machine, be sure to click on this video right here. I share with you how easy it is to create stencils and chipboard using your Cricut machine. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!